Question that comes up a lot in boards, particularly obviously in boards of multinationals, is that companies are exposed to a patchwork of different regulations and, whose rules are we supposed to follow? It's not unique to climate compliance or indeed sustainability reporting compliance. It is just a fact of life. When you are a multinational company, you have to adhere to rules that vary from one jurisdiction to another. Companies are used to that. And so generally, what smart companies do is they identify the best practices and stick with those, because typically best practices meet or exceed the standards that are required of them in most or all jurisdictions. And that's the approach that when I was on a multinational board, we took. Sometimes there was a temptation to sort of aim lower if certain jurisdictions were more relaxed, but really that's just not wise. And that holds for climate as it does for nature. Obviously, in some jurisdictions, there's going to be more pressure than others. But again, the direction of travel is very clear, even though it's never linear, even though it's always 3 steps forwards, 2 steps back. We as board directors should have a pretty clear focus on where we are heading and give that direction inside the boardroom.